Hi guys, my name is Afgan Muhammad Riansyah.
And my name is Putu Wijaya.
We are from Teen Accounting 3 SMK Kawang, Pekanbaru.
We will perform a perfect conversation.
The conversation is about recount text from Lucy. Did you have a great weekend?
I did Wahyu. I went for a holiday at my
Nanas.
Nana's.
You did, how was it?
You know I love city life, right? But from time to time I just need to rest from this cycle and people running around. So I went to my Nana's. She lived in a village. There are no cell towers or buildings or fast cars or trains. The people just use natural.
Oh, I wonder what it feels like. Must be nice. I've never lived in a village before. So what kind of activities did you do?
Yeah, I did. My Nana told me to go fishing in the lake, even though we didn't catch any. The weather was very calm. The sound of the water lake was soothing. And Nana said she had a great time with me too.
Oh, you don't know. Oh, and this right now, you know what, next time you have to take me to your Nana.
That's a great idea. My Nana's gonna love it.
That's all our performance. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Goodbye.